Okay, what we're going to talk about next, just really briefly, is getting an HTML editor. Now, certainly if you have experience in this already, you can probably skip this video. If you don't have any experience, but you have another, or have some experience, and you have another program like Front Page 2003, I know there's another update, or Dreamweaver, etc., that you're already comfortable using with. That's fine. But if you don't really have any experience, or if you're just looking for a good free HTML editor, and there are a number of HTML editors out there that you can get for free. I happen to use PageBreeze. I really like this one. It's pretty straightforward. If you just go to pagebreeze.com right here, punch that in, hit download, you can download their software for free. I find it's really easy to use. What I like about it is you can look. It's what you see is what you get type editing here that you can work with in the normal section here, or you can pop to HTML source, and if you need to change some HTML coding directly, you can do it in here, so you can do it either way. And it's really straightforward and simple to do. So if you download that, but I'm assuming that you really don't have much experience at all with this at this point, and just want to get something up really quick. So what you do after you download, go to pagebreeze.com and download that. Click on this website here, the onlinemlmblueprint.com/template.htm, and this will be the template that you'll want to start with to use. Of course, you can modify it, and it'll be really simple in PageBreeze to modify it as you like. The page might end up looking, well, it will end up looking different than this. It's just a quick page that I put together that I need to format and reshape a little bit. But you'll go here, a nice template will be up for you to use there, and then if you go in your web browser, hit View Source, this will pull up the file in HTML, so you see all the HTML coding there. You'll just want to hit File, Save As, and then go to whatever folder you're saving your website files in, and in your case you'll want to save it as index.htm, and you just want to flip to all files here. So index.htm for GoDaddy is like your home page. So if it's mysite.com, you don't have to type anything else. It'll pull up this index.htm file. So you just save it as that. And for right now, though, I'm going to be working with it as template.htm. So when you do that, then you can actually go back into PageBreeze, which I can't really get to very easily from here, the way I have this set up. Okay. You go back to PageBreeze, and you'll just load that up. Go back in your file, and you'll open up your index.htm file, and then you'll see, when you do that, the page that looks exactly like the web page. And then if you wanted to change, change some wording here, company instead of business, just make any edits that you want to in this normal view here, and then hit save, and it'll be saved with your changes here. If you don't like some of my wording, if you want to add a bullet point, take it out, however you want to adjust things, you can do that really easily here. Just in the what you see is what you get type HTML. Just hit save, and you're good to go. And now what we're going to do is show you how to get this up to your actual website, to get it up to your domain name. What you'll want to do, get the name of it exactly here. It's called FileZilla, is the FTP program that I use. Just filezilla.project.org. If you go here, this is a good free FTP program, and what this does is it actually takes your actual website coding files, and it uploads it to GoDaddy, and then that's the last step that you have. So once you buy the name with GoDaddy and get their hosting, then you get PageBreeze in order to make your web pages, and then you get FileZilla here to upload it to GoDaddy, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. So, you'll just go download FileZilla here. Likely you're in Windows XP, or if you're using a different operating system, just click on that and start the downloading process. You might have to click download file here. So anyway, once you do that, you'll have the file. FileZilla program, when you open that up, what you'll need to do is go into Site Manager, and you'll need to type in the host right here is going to be your website name with the www and the .com there. So you'll type that in. You'll want to flip to login type normal, and then use that username and password that you set up on that last file of your hosting account when I told you to save that information. So you'll type in that username and that password, and then you just click OK. And the cool thing about FileZilla is that if you have multiple websites, it will just let you it'll store them here, and it just in one click it'll go through this, and you'll be live. So then when you do that, you're connected to the server live, and you'll want to go again into the folder where you're holding your files, like before you saved that template as index.htm. So you'll click on that. In my case, I still have it as template because I have a different home page. So that was that file here, and all you have to do is just double click on it, and it'll start uploading it. Now, the first time you won't see this, but whenever you make an update to your file and you want to upload it, you'll just click OK, and it'll overwrite that file. And then the cool thing is it's instantaneous. When you go back to your website, it's live, so it does it that quick. So if we had company here, I changed it from business. Before it said business here, and I changed it to company. If I hit save, if I go back to FileZilla, I upload template. This is how quick it is. When I hit refresh, that business will change to company. That's how fast it is. So now once you're up and running, and again this whole process at the start of these videos of getting your GoDaddy account up to here, you could probably do in under an hour. Maybe 10 minutes of account setup time, 10 minutes of downloading PageBreeze and FileZilla, and then just copying over my template, and then just basically instantaneously updating the template, and you've got a quick template to use that will that you'll be able to point other people to. So I mean, really, that's a very powerful thing what you have right now. And what we are going to do next is, let's see, we are going to show you how to set up your own autoresponder into this template page, and that is extremely powerful. In the ebook, we'll talk a little bit about why you want to be building your own list. You absolutely do not skip that step. It's kind of critical in this whole process of online marketing, because what you can do then, once you find people that are interested, you get their first name and their email address. That's basically it. They have opted into your newsletter then, and then you can keep in touch with them through an email series, and that email series is pre-written and set up in your account and stored, and you have specific day intervals of when you send each letter out. You do that one time, it's set, it's in, you don't have to mess with it anymore. When people come through your Google ads or through your other sources onto your opt-in page, which this is called an opt-in page, this is a messy one right here, but when you have a nice clean opt-in page, it'll have the entry box that I still need to add in here, or no, actually I guess I did already, your first name and email address. And like I said, I'm going to be cleaning all this site up, but your first name and email address will kind of be in this box here. They'll just type that in, and when they do that, they'll be in your series, and they'll automatically get those emails spaced how you want without you doing anything more. So you have a full marketing pipeline that's working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all the time, getting. One thing I wanted to show you really quickly too here with PageBreeze, when you're ready to move beyond the templates that I have and modifying those, if you want to start with the full, more of what a traditional website would look like, with links on the top or on the side or something, and get a little bit fancier, a little bit more detail. If you open up PageBreeze and go under C, Program Files, PageBreeze, you'll see templates folder here. They have a good number of templates here with different different types of free things that you can use to kind of start and get a web page going here. And if you just search free web templates in Google, or even paid web templates, there's plenty of places out